So here's the water pump out of my 97 Chevy Blazer. I don't really think there's anything wrong with it except, you know, some surface rust, and I gotta refurbish these seals. I took the old ones off, they were looking pretty worn. So if you ever wanted to see how to take this apart, you need a 10mm. Just take all these bolts off here. So I'm going to clean this baby up. And I'm going to replace this seal here. Oh yeah, this seal's pretty hard on there. Go around my razor blade. Trying to get the old gasket off. You can see that's pretty garbage. This is original. Pretty good for being 97. Of course, the truck only has 125,000 miles on it right now. So I'm going to clean all this up. Then I'm going to take some cleaner and clean all the gunk off in here. While you have it apart, you can check see if it spins. If there's any play in it or anything. You know, looks like something's living in that little weep hole there. Look, it's filled with something in there. So I'm gonna clean that little weep hole out, and I'm gonna get all the surface rust off, tape it up, paint it. Alright, as you can see, I got it cleaned up and taped up. Clean the back plate off. I'm not going to paint this part. But I scrubbed this with just dish soap and water. The liquid coming out here, this is just rubbing alcohol. I cleaned the weep holes. I taped up all the surfaces that I want to paint, and I'm going to paint this with high-temp paint. Then I'm going to take the torch and go over it and set up the paint. So here's the before. Simply irresistible. And here's the after. Man, I love that matte finish. I got 2 coats of Rust-Oleum high heat ceramic. So 2 coats of this baby. Let it sit a while, then I hit it with the torch, just all around it. Not directly in one spot for too long, just heat it up, and kind of set the paint a little. That looks pretty spiffy. It's gonna look real nice with those new blue seals on. I also painted the water pump pulley. I taped up where the belt goes, so I just painted the face area and also the inside here where it was worn from being on the water pump. So yeah, it's gonna look good sitting on the motor. Okay, now that the paint has had time to dry, I put some thread lock in all the thread holes, And I'm going to put the seal on now, which is right here. This is a Fel-Pro brand. So I'm just going to put it, going to note which way these go. The cutouts go in between here, like that. And also there's cutouts that match the backing plate. Inside, outside. I'm not sure about the torque specs on this, but I'm just going to snug them. I don't think I have to do the wrench. I think that's pretty solid. There we go. So, brand new seal on that sucker. That's gonna go put this on the truck. Actually, I'm gonna put the water pulley on, see how it fits. Oh yeah, that's nice. Looks like a glove. Oh yeah, look at that nice water pump in there. All refurbished. Got the new gaskets. Nice blue Fel-Pro. Hell yeah. That's gonna look real nice. Not a big old rusty thing anymore. He's alive! He's alive! So far, just testing with distilled water before I put actual coolant in there, because this shit is cheap and coolant is not. So yeah, boy.